How to chat with AliExpress customer service. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can chat with AliExpress customer service and get the help that you need. First, open the AliExpress app or visit the aliexpress.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, you will see your account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. In account section, you'll see help center icon or little headset icon. Tap on it. Now scroll a bit down till you see online services. Click on it. You'll first chat with the AliExpress chatbot named Eva. Type your question like where's my order, I want a refund, open a dispute, or any other services. If the bot doesn't help, type talk to agent or human support. If available, you'll be connected to a live agent. If not, you may be given the option to submit a support ticket. And that's it. That's how you can contact AliExpress support the right way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button. And also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Happy shopping, and I'll see you in the next video.